Welcome back to Mass Effect Andromeda, and on the last episode I got pretty confused with this tower that we're looking at right here. Confusing kind of place here, doesn't really give you any clues. Yeah, but I was just poking around a little bit. There are no walkthroughs for this game yet, no guides online, so I can't get any help with it. Had to figure everything out myself. But I was poking around a little bit and found something in this nook right here. There's one of these panel things, and I didn't see it before. It's kind of hiding in that nook. So you hit that panel and it raises these pillars right here, which at first glance there's no way to get up there. But au contraire, you can climb up right over here and then jump up and grab on. Doesn't look like you should be able to do that, but it works. And yeah, cool stuff. Once you're up top, it's a little bit more self-explanatory from that point onward. You hit over here, you jump down. That bridge is not there. You have to activate this control panel right here, and that causes the bridge to appear. Once the bridge appears, you can cross over to the other side, and now we are where we're supposed to be, on the side of the tower that I could not for the life of me figure out how to get to before. So now I just need to climb up some stairs. First we got some enemies, hold on. Well, we had enemies. So yeah, I need to climb up some stairs, and where are you, stairs?
It's getting angry.
Can I climb up these? I think I can. I like using charge at really close range. It's just so unnecessary, but I like it. It's enjoyable. What can I say? Okay, we've got another remnant console here. We have this entire new galaxy, and we've only encountered one new alien race. That's a little peculiar, especially when you consider how the old Mass Effect games had so many alien races to encounter, so many different creatures to interact with. It was interesting stuff. So, yeah. Kind of weird that Andromeda, an equally large galaxy, if not a little bigger, seems so devoid of species. Okay, well, doesn't seem like there's anything else happening here, so I guess I'll leave. Feels like I shouldn't, but the Nomad cannot be called here. Alright, we don't want the Nomad. We want to just take off at this point. Alright, so we're out of here. Heading back into space. Hopefully there's nothing else I'm supposed to do on top of that tower before I leave. Because I'm not climbing it again. Not gonna do it. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Look at that. That's amazing, actually. It's just a really vivid look at that orbiting planet, or the planet that we're orbiting, rather. Okay, let's see if I can get a quest marker. All right, looks good. So we're gonna go mine a few planets real quick. This is going to be a pretty uneventful episode. I mean, we got out of the tower, you know. That was kind of the big goal for this episode. And we did that. So now we're going to go, we're going to mine some planets. And this is an interesting world right here. Tranquil Stone Plain. Interesting. This kind of resembles Mercury a little bit.
Anomaly on sensors.
Pass 13. Whoa, look at that. See all that weird kind of yarn-looking nebula there? Very interesting. Huh. Some interesting worlds here. What else do we have? You are here. Paz 33. Let's go to Paz 33. See what's shaking over there. This solar system seems pretty icy, which is interesting because the sun of this solar system is pretty small compared to some of the suns we've seen thus far. So perhaps the heat level in this solar system is kind of low.
I'm picking up something.
Interesting. They didn't need to have that kind of attention to detail, honestly. Okay, we've got an anomaly detected right about here. Oh, we've got to be very, very deliberate here.
Probes launched. Satellite detected.
Satellite. Ooh. Got some Milky Way research data. All right.
Anomaly on sensors.
Yeah, I know it's happening. I apologize. Okay, got a couple more worlds to check out here. You know, this is a very relaxing way to spend your time. Just kind of checking out different planets. You know, not a lot happening, but hey, I'm relaxed, so that's a good thing. So this is an interesting looking world right here. Doesn't look like it has any oceans. Wait, seas of liquid helium boiling whenever the temperature rises. Wow. So many seemingly inhospitable worlds here.
Deploying probe.
Just seemingly completely inhospitable.
Getting a scan.
Huh. Wow. So this planet is basically made out of helium,
I'm picking up something.
more or less. Alright, and finally, we've got an anomaly over here that definitely needs to be investigated.
Anomaly found.
Element 0. What could it be? Ooh. This is pretty shiny. Element 0 deposit. Destruction of a large starship. Huh. Finally something interesting. No, I mean like really interesting from a sci-fi perspective. A large starship. Apparently it was destroyed and it left behind this large trace of energy. Fascinating. All right, I think that covers this solar system. There's the galactic center very close by. Hopefully we can get very close to the galactic center because I've always been intrigued by galactic centers. Just their sheer implausibility. And I like that the galactic center in this game clearly shows you the black hole. Most of the time, when you see the galactic center represented in games and movies, you just see like this big ball of light at the center, and it looks like a great big star of some sort. Of course, it's not. It's lots and lots and lots and lots of stars kind of coalescing in one area. But it's still kind of a deceptive way to look at the center of the galaxy because it's a black hole. It's surrounded by brightness, but it is, at the end of the day, a gigantic black hole. So I like that this game is kind of giving you a clearer look at just what lurks at the center of the galaxy. Joba. Orbit has been stable. Huh. That looks like a interesting planet. What do we have over here? Yep, just doing some planet hopping today. Nothing too intense. I know I'm in a hurry to get to the next main story mission and get through this game, but right now I'm finding myself very intrigued by these planets. Look at that! Look at how close we are to the galactic center. I mean, imagine living in this particular solar system. Imagine living... Wait, a few inches closer. Wow, so this planet is very slowly edging toward the black hole. Amazing. So yeah, we are right on the cusp of this black hole. Yeah, imagine living in a star system, a solar system rather, that is this close to the galactic center. You're just like above the galactic center, kind of looking down on it. Imagine being able to see the galactic center in the night sky. You look up and you see, I don't know what, a massive black hole, a massive assembly of suns congregating around this gravitational center. I mean, it must be such an interesting thing to look at. And a scary thing to look at, too. I mean, imagine having... Well, this planet's doing some weird stuff. I think that's probably a glitch. Actually, maybe it's not a glitch, because we are very close to that black hole. Maybe the black hole is distorting. Yeah, I think it is. Black hole is actually distorting the planet a little bit. See that? Wow. And imagine being this close to the galactic center. Even if you could land on one of these planets and take a gander at the galactic center, the radiation would probably make it inhospitable to actually live on one of these planets. Just the radiation being emanated by the galactic center and the volume of suns congregated in that area. What have we here? Oh, that's the planet I was just at. Never mind. Very interesting planets in this solar system. Ooh. This one looks promising. Primitive ocean life. So colonization might be possible, but yeah, it's going to be a tough process. This one looks like it might be closer to Venus than it is to Earth in terms of environments. It's really too bad that I can't land on all these planets and take a closer look at them. I guess that's what No Man's Sky is for. Unfortunately, I have not played No Man's Sky. All the bad publicity it got kind of killed my interest, unfortunately. But yeah, I was hoping there'd be more planets to land on and explore in this game. So far, I'm just finding a lot of mining resources when I look at these planets. So in any case, that'll do it for today's episode of Mass Effect Andromeda. So join me next time as we follow the continuing adventures of Miss Sarah Ryder. Fun fact, I have been ridden by 2 different Sarahs in my day. Back in my younger days, when I was more spry and virile than I am now, alas. So I'm very old now. And on that note, billions and billions of stars. All right, have a good one, and I will see you very soon.